Hello. Hello guys, this is Narayan Laljat. I am from Government Institute of Medical Science, Gadag, Karnataka, a third year MBBS student. I am here on the memoneet. I am here for the video solution now. I am a SME of the biology at the memoneet. So today our solution of the BPT number 10. Here I will assist you in the solution of the BPT 10. Now my question allotted questions from I discuss 151 question to 200 question. So now first read the question first carefully and then we proceed to solution of this question. Now question is the specialized epidermal cell present in the vicinity of guard cells are called specialized epidermal cell present on guard cell. Sorry, this is question number 151. And the root hairs are the now, understand root hairs. Whenever we will talk about root hair, this is the epidermal structure. So, epidermal cells. Option 2 and option 4 gone. Root hair, unicellular or multicellular? Root hair are unicellular. Whereas, if there is question in about stem hair or the shoot hair, then they are multicellular. So, here is the unicellular elongation of epidermal cell. So, option is 3. You can read this from the solution also. This is the unicellular structure. Then now move ahead on the question 152. There is question with 152 question about the distinguished feature of the open vascular bundle and closed vascular bundle. Whenever we will talk about open vascular bundle and closed vascular bundle, we should know about the secondary growth. And if we talk about secondary growth, then we should go to if open vascular bundle are there, it means secondary growth present. On closed vascular bundle are present, secondary growth absent. So secondary growth decided by open and closed vascular bundle, and this distinction on the base of the cambium, the presence of cambium. So here option one, you can see here solution option one is there. Now read question number 153. Which type of arrangement vascular bundle occurs in the root of monocot? Whenever we talk about root, irrespective of a monocot or dicot, root have two types of arrangement of the. This is the internal structure. This is for xylem and this is phloem. When xylem and phloem are present on the different radius, they are known as the radial and radial arrangement seen in the dicot and monocot root. So root means which type? Radial vascular bundle. So answer is radial vascular bundle. 153 you can see from explanation 153 also. Now move ahead question number 152. Sorry 154. 154 question. The presence of cambium in the vascular bundle provides them our ability to secondary growth. Secondary growth means formation of the secondary xylem phloem. So read option. Radial transport the food from secondary tissue. This is secondary tissue prevent water loss, conduct photosynthesis. Answer is secondary growth. Option 2 is correct answer. Now you can see explanation also. Here is written explanation. This one. Next question now 155. 155. Lateral roots are arises. Lateral root. So, lateral root endodermis, pericycle, conjoined tissue, cambium tissue. Whenever we'll talk about lateral roots are arises from pericycle. So, this is direct question from the NCRT. So, option 2 is the answer. Lateral root arises from the pericycle are endogenous in origin. Now, move to next question 156. 156 question polyarch xylem bundles found in polyarch means when xylem number more than 6, this is polyarch and polyarch presence in monocot or dicot. Answer is monocot. So dicot should we cancel out? There are two options, monocot root or monocot stem. So answer is polyarch xylem bundle decided in root or stem? Root. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. Polyar xylem means presence of more than 6 xylem bundles. They are found in monocot root. Now move ahead to question number 157. The Casparian strips are present on the plant cells of root here. Whenever we read internal structure, there is the pith, vascular bundle, Outer this structure, when one structure is endodermis. On endodermis, there are presence of some lignin tissue and cellulosic tissue, which is known as the Casparian strip. Casparian strip are presence of the for the this is the barrel shaped structure presence in the endodermis known as the Casparian strip. So answer is barrel shaped. Option 3. Casparian strip are present on the plant cells of the root which are barrel shaped. It means cells of the endodermis, bean shaped guard cells of dicot stem apparatus. Dumble bean, this is the guard shaped bean shaped in the guard cells in the dicot, and dumble shaped guard cells in monocot. Lens shaped cells are the special structure presence in the lens shaped structure. Now move I to 158 question. 158. The conjunctive tissue lies between conjoined conjunctive tissue. This is xylem and phloem. Presence of tissue between xylem and phloem is known as the conjoined tissue. So option number 1 is direct answer. Now read question number 159. 159. In which of the following characters a monocot root differ from a dicot root? Here we will talking about root. So monocot root and dicot root. Difference. What is difference between monocot and dicot root? Pith. Dicot there is no pith. So answer is option 2. Single light endodermis both monocot dicot both have radial vascular bundle irrespective of the monocot or dicot. Both root have radial vascular bundle only. Conjunctation between xylem and phloem presents monocot because radial structure. So radial structure conjunct tissue present either monocot or dicot. So answer is 2 only. Next. Match the column. Here is the match the column type question. There are two column. Column 1 here are A, B, C, D. And column 2 there are 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So first read the column ABC. A is hypodermis in dicot stem, dicot stem and pericycle in dicot stem. Then ground tissue in monocot stem, phloem parenchyma in monocot stem. So hypodermis in dicot stem means this structure is the parenchymatous, collenchymatous, sclerenchymatous, which structure? So this is the collenchymatous. If you read dicot stem have collenchymatous, monocot have sclerenchymatous. So collenchymatous is dicot stem. So A is 3. A is 3. No A is 3. No A is 3. No A is 3. A is 3. You can approach from this directly from this only. But we should A is 3. Explanation we will read all. Next, B. B is B. What is pericycle in dicot stem? Pericycle, collenchymatous, sclerenchymatous, sclerenchymatous. So B is 4. Then C. C parenchyma. C which ground tissue in the monocot stem. Monocot stem, no ground tissue. So C is 2. Means parenchymatous. Ground tissue or parenchymatous. And phloem parenchyma and monocot stem. Phloem parenchyma, monostem, monocot stem, no phloem parenchyma. So answer is 1. So option 3 is our answer. Next 161 question. Vascular bundle surrounded by sclerenchymatous bundle sheath is a feature of the whenever sclerenchymatous here only I said dicot collenchymatous monocot sclerenchymatous, so you cancel out dicot first. Next, bundle sheath presents in root or stem. Always, everyone should basic concept. Bundle sheath present in stem. So answer is monocot stem or dicot stem. Answer is monocot stem. So monocot stem is answer. Now move ahead to question number 162. The centralmost portion of the stem is dicotyledon, dicot plant, is occupied by always pith. Central part is pith. So answer is pith. Answer third. Cortex, epidermis, after epidermis there is a outermost structure, vascular bundle. After pith pericycle, then after this vascular bundle. Now move ahead to 163 question number. This is third option of the 162. Now read to 163. Which of the following is not true for the vascular bundle of monocot stem? Monocot stems, which is not true. First, we should highlight to the monocot or dicot. Here asking about monocot. So we should highlight here monocot, monocot stem. Then highlight not true. Here question ask about not true. Here not asking about true. So not true. Scattered in the ground tissue, scattered tissue presence in monocot stem poses water containing cavity. Monocot grass-like structure, water cavity is present. Conjugate and closed. Monocot no secondary growth, so closed. This is also true. Ring arrangement presence in dicot, not monocot. So answer is 3. Monocot stem is scattered vascular bundle. The monocot stem is sclerenchymatous hypodermis. A large number of scattered vascular bundle is surrounded by sclerenchymatous bundles is present, and a large parenchymatous ground tissue present. Vascular bundle are conjugate and closed type. So this is the answer third. Now read question number 164. And the epidermis is the dorsiventral leaf. Dorsiventral leaf of the epidermis. This upper surface is known as the adaxial surface. Lower surface is known as the abaxial surface. Cover both adaxial and abaxial surface. Okay. It not covered by cuticle. Cuticle presence. The 164 answer is 1 covers both adaxial and abaxial surface. Dorsiventral, adaxial, abaxial. So first one correct. It is not covered by cuticle. It present on the adaxial surface normally. Bears more stomata on the upper side. Upper side stomata absence or less number. So may even lack stomata on the upper surface. So 1 and A and D is the answer. 3 is the answer. Now move ahead to question number 165. बच्चे 165 question. Choose correct option with respect to spongy mesophyll dicot leaf. Dicot leaf structure. This is the dicot leaf. Dicot leaf. This is the dicot leaf. This is the spongy tissue in dicot leaf. So when here look now in the mesophyll dicot leaf presents numerous large spaces and air containing with cells. Correct. A large number of chloroplasts, presence of adaxial surface, vertical and parallel arrangement of the cells. So numerous large space and air cavities between its cells. Here are we talking monocot or dicot? We are talking about dicot, but it is leaf. Whenever you see structure, now look, this is the large airspace presence, large airspace and cavity. So answer is clearly indicated. Is option one is one only is the correct answer. So answer is one. Now read 166 question. 166. The size of vascular bundles in a dorsiventral leaf. Dorsiventral leaf, ठीक है, is dependent on size. Size always depend on the veins. When we talk about size, it's depend on vein. So here size of the veins. Option is answer 2. You can see here only 166 here. You can see parallelly 166 here. Here answer 2. Size of vascular bundle depend on size of leaves. Size of leaves is size of veins. Now move ahead to 167 question. Here 167 question says are the stromata is in isobilateral leaf. Iso means same. Bilateral means both side. In number of stromata in isobilateral leaf, both sides same. So presence only on adaxial wrong, only in abaxial wrong, absence on both sides wrong, presence on both surface of the epidermis. So answer is fourth is clear answer. Now 168. 168 the bulliform cells. Bulliform cells is present in the bulliform cells when there is water loss and we want to close the stromata. So one cell active which bulliform cells. Whenever we want to water stress or close the whenever we want to close stromata due to water loss or incurve side of the stromata, bulliform cells become flaccid. So flaccidity of bulliform cells. Turgid not become flaccid. So flaccid as answer. Makes leaf inwards. Main function of the bulliform cell to shrinkage of the leaves. Bulliform is shrinkage of the leaves. So curl inward. Inward is also correct. Or not outward or not turgid. So answer is B and C. B and C. Which option? B and C. Which option? Option 4. Now read bache 169 question. Meristem is a characteristic of by meristem is a which tissue? It's permanent tissue or dividing tissue. It's a dividing tissue, meristem tissue. Meristem tissue, dividing tissue of the plant. So characterized by isodiametric cells with cellulosic. Whenever we want plant have cellulose. So cellulosic thin wall present, which is isodiametric in meristem tissue. Absence of intercellular space and very absence of very minute space present. Absence of reserve food material present in the permanent tissue. बच्चे, not dividing tissue. What is the work of the here storage tissue or reserve food material? So absence absence of intercellular space. All are true. बिल्कुल all are true. This is the NCERT question. 169. Whenever you want to NCERT, read NCERT. It's old NCERT 85 page number. In option in solution you can see now. Now see question number 10170. 170 question. Collenchyma is a type of the mechanical tissue but is not a efficient as sclerenchyma. There are two type mechanical tissue, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is a more rigid, more mechanical as compared to collenchyma. Here question ask about region. What is the region behind it? However, it has certain advantage but it has certain advantage also. What is the advantage? Main advantage, it is a flexible structure. So there is a more air. If there is sclerenchyma and air pressure is more, then it's tissue damage, or leaf tore will occur. But collenchyma flexible, so this is curved, so air pass. So the flexibility is the main advantage of it. So it's flexible. Read other option also. It's resistance. Resistance always offer resistance. So no resistance is a wrong approach. No resistance is wrong approach. No plant tissue cellular presence. If a plant tissue cellulose is present, bro. So answer is third option. Now read 171 question. Stomata in grass leaf. Grass monocot or dicot? Monocot. Monocot. Monocot stomata presents. बिल्कुल presents. Shape dumbbell cell structure or dumbbell cell. So dumbbell shaped structure present. Monocot stem. Casparian strips. Earlier told Casparian strip in the endodermis. There are structure presence for the water containing strip-like structure presence. These are known as the Casparian strip. In a tangential wall, it is a suberin rich. Very good. Suberin. We can read about suberin containing structure presence. Casparian strips. Endodermis layer. So endodermis layer. Answer is third option. Now read 173 question. Which of the following is made up of dead cells? Dead cells. Whenever read xylem and phloem, vascular tissue, there are two types of vascular tissue, xylem and phloem. There are three component live, one component dead. Three component dead, one component live. There are one component live, which is the phloem parenchyma. This is the live structure. There are three component live, only one component dead, which is the xylem fiber. This is the xylem fiber dead. And question asking about dead structure. Answer is 3. Xylem parenchyma, live structure. Collenchyma, live structure. So answer is third option. Now read 174 question. Cortex is the region found between outermost structure, innermost structure, outermost epidermis. After epidermis there is a cortex. So epidermis. Just after epidermis there is a cortex. And vascular bundle, there are many structures between vascular bundle and cortex. Below, just below, and still just below, there is a cortex. So answer is 174. Answer is 1. You can read option. Cortex is the region present between epidermis and still. Just NCERT based question. Now read 175 question, bro. This is, we ask about 175. There is a question which is specialized epidermal cells surrounded the guard cells are called. For stomata opening and closing, there are presence of guard cell. After guard cells, there are these barrel cell structure cells. This these cells presence. These are known as subsidiary cells. So answer is subsidiary cells. 175. Few epidermal cells in the vicinity of the guard cells become specialized in their shape and size and are known as the substitute cells. The stromatal aperture guard cells and surrounding substitute cells are together known. This is the whole structure is known as the stromatal apparatus. This is the five marks question in boards exam also. And in NEET, there is 1 and 2 question will be asked. Move 8, 176 question. Vascular bundle and monocotyledon are considered closed. Closed because cambium absence, no secondary growth. So xylem and surrounded all around phloem, cambium is absent. Only deciding factor is cambium only. No need to read, but you should read. There is no vessels with perforation. This is not a reason behind it. Reason is only cambium. You can see these PYQ questions also here. These questions are PYQ only 176 question. If you read explanation, this is a PYQ question only. This is the only PYQ question. 177. A major characteristic of the monocot root is the presence of major root, monocot root, presence. Cambium present or absence? Cambium is absent. So cambium no. Open vascular bundle or cambium absence? Closed vascular bundle. Scattered vascular bundle stem or root? It is stem. And asking about root. So vascular without cambium. Answer is fourth. This application of the next question only. 178. Yeah, this type question frequently asked in examination, especially whenever NTA and any other authority want to become tough paper or tricky paper, they will give question like this. There are some features are given. On the basis of the feature, we should identify which structure. This is the practical questions also, and this type questions are very easy questions. Just find how to approach this type question. Now look on the video. You are given a fairly old piece of the dicot stem and dicot root. Here, differentiation between dicot stem and dicot root both are dicot structure. So there is no function of the secondary xylem, secondary phloem. Which of the following anatomical structure will you distinguish between? Both should distinguish. There is no function of the secondary xylem, secondary phloem. Cortical cells are just normal cells. We can decide basis on this. We should decide on the protoxylem structure. So answer 178. Root protoxylem. Protoxylem beta polyarch, exarch and endarch xylem. Endarch on the basis of the polyarch. Sorry, where protoxylem we decide polyarch or endarch. If protoxylem towards center, this is endarch. If towards periphery, this exarch. On the basis of the distinction between monocot and dicot root. Next question 179. Read question carefully. Parenchymatous cells of the medullary cells. Interfascicular cambium develops from the cells of medullary cells. Interfascicular cambium, medullary cells, medullary range. So answer is medullary range. Xylem parenchyma endodermis pericycle is not answer. Parenchymatous cells of the medullary range get differentiated so meristematic activity and form interfascicular cambium. So this is the secondary de-differentiation structure. Read now de-differentiation, re-differentiation, de-differentiation. So de-differentiation structure from the medullary range. Now read 180 question. Water containing cavity, monocot or dicot? Water containing cavity, monocot. So here cycas dicot, pinus dicot, sunflower dicot, maize is only one monocot. So answer is maize. So read one. Closed vascular bundle. This question only. Closed vascular bundle lake, cambium. Cambium is absent. So cambium is answer. Companion cells are closely associated with companion cells, component of the xylem or phloem. Component of phloem. So vessels, trichome cells, two pair. So no means card cells, sieve element or vascular. Vascular is xylem. So there is only one phloem component, sieve element. So sieve element is answer. Next question. Function of the companion cells. Function of the companion cells. There are function of the loading. Loading of sucrose into the sieve elements. Sucrose into sieve element by active transport, not passive transports. So answer is 2. Function of the companion cell loading sucrose into the sieve element by active transport. Ground tissue include ground tissue only vascular bundle. and epidermis. If we remove vascular bundle and epidermis, whatever tissue remain behind, it is known as the ground tissue only. So answer is all tissue internal to endodermis. This is all tissue except epidermis and vascular bundle is correct answer. Answer is third option only. Ground tissue is a further differentiation into cortex and pith. Outermost layer of the cortex is hypodermis, innermost layer is endodermis. Okay. 185 question, bro. In land plants, the guard cells differ from other epidermal cells in having chloroplast. In land plants, in guard cell, chloroplast. On other all other plants, there is no chloroplast. So chloroplast in the presence of chloroplast. 185 in them. Okay. Next question 186. At maturity, which of the following is a non-nucleated? Non-nucleated structure in the phloem, sieve element. Sieve cells. Answer is sieve cells. Companion cells have nucleus. These are normal cells. Normal cells have nucleus. And function of the sieve cells decided by companion cells nucleus only. Monitoring by companion cell nucleus only. What happens in this plant during vascularization? Vascularization means uh, differentiation or differentiation. Vascularization is the formation of the primary xylem, primary phloem, etc. So there is a formation and differentiation of the procambium. First, from formation of prime phloem followed by formation of primary xylem. Procambium formation, बिल्कुल प्रोगैम followed by the formation of the prime phloem xylem. Primary phloem and xylem is the correct answer. Primary phloem, not primary xylem. Primary phloem and xylem formation. So answer is 2. Formation of the procambium secondary phloem. Second is not a portion. Second is not a structure. Formation of the procambium form primary phloem and xylem only. Xylem and primary phloem simultaneously formation takes place. Not the formation of procambium, then primary phloem, primary xylem. Formation of the procambium, primary xylem and primary phloem and primary xylem with simultaneously xylem and phloem formation. 188 question. You can see explanation of these questions if you have any confusion. 188. Which of the following statement is true? You should read all statement and which is the true. You should mark. Vessels are multicellular with narrow lumen. So here I am talking about vessels which is a xylem structure and trachea which is a phloem structure. So vessels multicellular, whereas tracheids unicellular. You should read these structures carefully. Tracheids are unicellular with wide lumen. So vessels are multicellular with narrow lumens. Tracheids are yes. Then now we should know that vessels of trachea lumen. So tracheids are unicellular, vessels are multicellular. So option 1 and option 4 is confusing option. So with the wide lumen or narrow lumen, tracheids have wide lumen, vessels have wide lumen. So true is the here asking narrow lumen, so there is no narrow lumen, only wide lumen. So option is fourth. Now 189 question. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1, parenchyma is living but collenchyma is dead. Wrong. Parenchyma is living, collenchyma is living, both living. Gymnosperms lack xylem vessels, बिल्कुल सही बात. But presence of xylem vessels is the characteristic बिल्कुल. Presence xylem vessels presence in angiosperm which is a characteristic feature but absent in gymnosperm. So statement second is true, but first is false. Now find out option. Statement 1 is true, wrong. Statement 1 is false, correct. Statement 2 is true, absolutely correct. So option is B is correct answer. Now read this question 190 carefully. In the given figure, which component has thin outer wall and highly thickened inner wall? Thin outer wall and highly thickened outer wall. Here he is talking about guard cell. And now when I am zoom, this is the stomata. Option C. These cells are guard cells. This is the guard cell. So guard cell only. The option is C. C is the correct answer. Now move ahead to 191 question. Question is 191 questions. We are talking about 191 question. Okay, no problem at all. The transfer section of the monocode root show the following internal structure. Arrange them in correct sequence. Arrange. Outermost from periphery to center. Periphery to center. Outermost epidermis. So C is the first one. Outermost C C. Now innermost is pith. So innermost is pith. B is pith. So you can mark this is the approach how to solve question. But no problem. Move it. After epidermis there is cortex. Yeah, cortex means E. After cortex there is endodermis. Yeah, endodermis. After endodermis there is pericycle. After pericycle there is pith. So this is the correct sequence. Now move to 192 question. 192. The transfer section of the plant part showed polyarch. Polyarch means more than six xylem. Polyarch. Polyarch condition presence in monocot or dicot. Monocot. So first a dicot. This dicot. Only monocot stem and root. Radial and exarch xylem. Radial means root or stem. Always root only. So stem gone. Answer is C. This is the approach to solve question always. Here we are fighting for competition exam and in the present scenario there is no chance to do silly mistakes. This is the no way to waste our time. How to manage time is important. So in this scenario we should learn how to approach question. Question approach important. The transfer section of the plant show following anatomical feature. Now anatomical feature is given and we should ask about which structure is there. Large number of scattered vascular bundles. Scattered vascular bundle means we are talking about stem only, bro. Now move ahead. Large caspicious parenchymatous ground tissue, vascular bundle conjoined and closed. We are talking about more or less monocot. So dicot. Phloem parenchyma absent. Phloem parenchyma absence means we are talking about something stem only. So answer is I think 193. 193 answer C. Yeah, C is the correct answer. Here stem monocot stem. C is the correct answer. This is C only. C C. Now 194 question. Grass leaves curves inwards during every dry weather. यानी water stress question. Inward curling of the this leaves monogore structure by which cell? Bulliform cell. Yani placidity of the bulliform cells is the correct answer. Now 195 question. In the dicot root the vascular cambium originate from where dicot vascular cambium present. So there is a direct line from NCRT below the phloem tissue. Any tissue located below the phloem bundle and a portion of the surrounding structure, yani pericycle tissue above protoxylem. Here dicot root, radial arrangement. This is the xylem, this is phloem, below phloem, and the portion above the protoxylem, portion about protoxylem and pericycle tissue. So answer is A only. Directly NCRT line. We should directly learn this from NCRT only. Four radial less than 6. Polyarch, not monoarch. Not monoarch, not polyarch. Vascular bundles are found in less than 6. Monocot or dicot? Dicot only. Radial, whenever radial यानी कि root only. So first stem गया, dicot गया, sorry monocot गया. So answer आया dicot dicot root. So first is answer. You can see this is the first answer. Explanation in there. Now identify A, B, C, D. 197 question only. This is the abaxial or adaxial? Adaxial. Okay, adaxial. This is the abaxial. Okay. Here question abaxial wrong. Adaxial okay. Abaxial wrong. Adaxial okay. D. This structure. This is the xylem. This is the phloem. So this is the phloem. Radial phloem. D phloem. D xylem wrong. D phloem. So answer is 2. B. This is the xylem. I am talking this only. This is the xylem. So answer is 2 only. Yeah, 2 is the correct answer. Now move it to 198 directly. This is the stem or root. This is the stem. Monocot stem only scattered structure. This is the monocot leaf. This is the dicot leaf. I tell it. Oh, this is directly NCRT diagram. You can see the large air cavities are present. This is dicot leaf. Air cavity is present. This is mesophil cells. And the highly mesophil cells are more and less space of air cavity. This is monocot. And this is the structure of the presence of hypodermis and etc. This is the stem only, monocot stem only. So answer is 1A, B3 and C2. So answer is 1 only. Now read 199 question. Second last question of the hour this video solution. The below characteristic describe endodermis comprises a single layer of barrel-shaped cells without any intercellular space. The pith is small or inconspicuous. There are usually two to four xylem and phloem patches. Less than six means we are talking about dicot only. So first cancel out monocot. ठीक है सर. Presence of Casparian strip presence. Presence of Casparian strip. Which structure है वो Casparian strip presence? Root or stem? Casparian strip किसमें presence होती है? Root only. Root only. Remove stem. So answer is one only. Now last question. Easily you can identify. This is a monocot or dicot, root or stem. So first see, this is the xylem. This is the phloem tissue. So radial vascular bundle. Radial vascular bundle. Radial vascular bundle. Feature of the root or stem. Root only. So stem gaya. Then now move it. Monocot or dicot. You can easily identify. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 6. Monocot or dicot? Dicot only. So 1 is the answer only. All other are ground tissue. We can not just. ठीक है. This is where to solve the questions. So read carefully. Thanks and one and all.